If I was a bird with a damaged foot, I would fly nonetheless, even though it would hurt. If I was a bird with something wrong, I would try nonetheless and not become strong. A better bird, knowing I have done my best in my world, trying just as hard as the rest. I wouldn't be confined to the lower branches, looking up at the world, wondering what might have been. What could I have seen if I was an owl with limited rotation? I'd still crane my neck, 'cause I'd wanna see and be a better bird, knowing I have done my best in my world, trying just as hard as the rest. A better bird, trying to pass the bird test in my world, flying just as high as the rest. Any bird can end up with a broken wing. They can never be sure. If I was a bird with a damaged beak, my song may be silenced, but I would still speak. Chirpy, chirpy, if I was an owl, I'd stay up all day, trying to figure out the human way.